how to use Posthog for A and B testing. To run A and B testing using Posthog, start by logging into your Posthog dashboard and make sure Experiment is enabled under Feature Flag tab. First, create a new feature flag, which will act as the variable you are testing, like a new button color or layout. Set up 2 or more variants like A, B, etc. Define rollout percentage for each group and assign targeting conditions if needed. Then, head to the experiment section and create a new experiment using the feature flag. Define your goal metric like click-throughs or conversions and select how Posthog should measure success. Once the test is live, Posthog will automatically assign users to different variants and track performance. You can now monitor results in real time, including statistic significance, conversion rate, and trend across your test group. It's a powerful, good light way to run experiments directly in your app or site, perfect for product teams that wasn't fast data-driven decisions without needing external A and B testing tools. And that's it.